everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Unicorn Diary.
ආයුබෝවන් දුවේ පුතේ. ඉතින් අදත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ එකතු වෙලා ඉන්නේ Unicorn Diary YouTube channel එකත් එක්ක. Today we are going to do a nice handwork. Odara, do you know what it is?
It's a tree.
Yes, we are going to make a beautiful tree. Therefore, Princess Merida is here to help us. Hello, Princess Merida. Then, shall we start the handwork?
Okay.
ඉතින් මෙන්න මේ වගේ දේවල් තමයි ඔයාලට ඕන වෙන්නේ handwork එක කරගන්න. What are the things that we need? An A4 sheet,
An A4 sheet,
a paintbrush,
and
a paper plate.
and paints.
What are the colors?
Orange, red, yellow,
Yes, you can choose any 3 colors.
and crayons.
Yes, and a box of crayons. Right, now let's start. What is the first step?
It's the trunk.
Yes, first we are going to color the tree's trunk. Then Odara will help her. Okay, Odara, color nicely. Okay, we are going to finish coloring the log. Let's color the tree trunk like this. You can use brown, black. Okay, now thank you Odara for
There's
supporting
another
us.
space.
Okay. Right, now give the paper to Princess Merida again. Now we are going to print the fingers, I think. Let's see what is she going to do. You have to help today, Odara.
First, this one.
Yes. Now we are going to fingerprint like this. We used yellow color. Okay, now we are going to fingerprint with red color. ඉතින් අපි දැන් yellow color වලින් ලස්සනට fingerprints ටික තියාගත්තා. දැන් අපි තව color එකක් use කරලා ඒ විදියටම fingerprints තියනවා. Odara, what do you feel?
Good. It's like tickling.
Tickling? Okay. Let's keep the fingerprints like this. Okay. Now we are going to put fingerprints with orange color. We can keep the tree leaves like this by using different colors. Odara, what's your favorite color?
It's beautiful red.
Red.
And also pink.
Pink also you like. Okay, I think now we came to the end of the handwork. Okay. Did we finish, Princess Marida? Okay. Then can you take the tree, darling? Let's show it to the friends. Okay. Then, my children, you also can print a beautiful tree like this. We used only 4 colors. Brown for the
Trunk.
and yellow, red and orange we used to leaves. Then as a homework, you also try to create a beautiful handwork like this. Then I would say thank you for Princess Marida. ඉතින් අපිත් එක්ක ඔයාලා දිගටම එකතු වෙන්න මේ වගේ ලස්සන handworks ගොඩාක් අපි අරගෙන එනවා ලබන සතිවලත්. ඉතින් අද දවසට නියමිත පාඩම දැන් ටීචර් අවසන් කරන්නයි හදන්නේ. ඉතින් thank you Odara, thank you Princess Marida. Don't forget to subscribe our channel
And click the bell icon.
Okay, goodbye children.
Goodbye, friends.